You see a shiny bottle on a social media feed and the promise is almost too good to ignore. $20 for a decade of protection for your vehicle. It sounds like the deal of a century. This crystal serum is everywhere right now, and I had to see if there was any truth behind the hype. On the surface, the appeal is obvious. You wash your car, dry it down, and simply wipe this liquid onto the paint. The instant results are actually quite impressive. The paint gets this deep oily gloss that makes an old daily driver look like it just rolled off the showroom floor. If you spray water on the hood, it beads up and rolls off instantly. For a few days, you feel like you discovered a secret shortcut that the professional detailers do not want you to know about. But then the reality of the situation starts to set in. That specific hardness rating they keep mentioning is one of the oldest tricks in the book. It is based on a pencil scale, which measures how a piece of lead interacts with a surface. It has nothing to do with how your car will handle road salt, grit, or a stray shopping cart in a parking lot. No independent laboratory has ever stepped up to verify that this budget serum actually provides any real structural defense for your paint. When you go looking for real feedback from people who actually know about car care, the trail goes cold. You will not find this stuff discussed on serious independent review sites or professional forums. It only exists in the world of sponsored clips and controlled marketplaces where negative feedback can be scrubbed away. The most deceptive part of the whole thing is the name itself. There is a world-renowned brand from the United Kingdom that produces a legendary coating with a nearly identical name. That professional product is expensive and requires a clean room environment for a perfect application. This cheap bottle is clearly trying to ride the coattails of a high-end reputation without putting in any of the scientific work. If you look at wholesale manufacturing sites, you can find these exact same formulas being sold in bulk for about $3 a unit. They are just basic spray sealants, packaged in a fancy glass bottle to make them feel more premium than they actually are. The chemical bond that a real ceramic coating creates simply is not happening here. Within a few weeks or after a couple of heavy rainstorms, that beautiful water beading effect starts to vanish. You are left with the same bare paint you started with, and that 10-year promise starts to look like a total fantasy. If you want a quick, cheap shine for a weekend car show, this product will give you that temporary boost. It makes the car look pretty for the camera. But if you are looking for a long-term shield against the elements, you need to stick with the established names in the industry. Those products cost more because the chemistry is real. They actually fuse with your clear coat to create a permanent layer of protection. This serum is just a temporary mask that washes away with the first signs of trouble. It is a classic case of getting exactly what you pay for. Don't let a flashy advertisement convince you that a $3 liquid can replace years of high-end engineering. Your car deserves better than a temporary trick. Save your money for a product that actually has a history of performance instead of just a high-speed video and a borrowed name.